When our children are born, this world tries to put them in the same mold. It tries to make them what Beatles famously said, another brick in the wall. And as parents, we must ensure that our children must not financially struggle when they grow up. So we must give them some skills, such as making them great at math. At the same time, all our children are born with what I call sparks of individuality. Some may be good at sports, some may be extra good at music and art, some may be extra good at expressing themselves, and some may be very good at being curious and exploring the wonders of nature. As parents, we must discover this spark of individuality. We must help them develop this spark of individuality, because in the end, this may be their only claim to fame. Their spark of individuality may be their only claim to importance in this world.